Today we are going to study about permutation combination, and before that, fundamental principle counting. Fundamental principle counting means how we count. Where we need count is to say sitting arrangement, or sitting arrangements better. I can say how the plants, the books, the some. Uh, Supposing in a garden plants are planted in a systematic way, you have to count how many plants are there. Or students are sitting on a row in different rows and columns. Then how many students are there? These are we count. Say, for example, each dot represents one plant, and in one row there are 5 plants, and there are 4 columns. You have to find out how many plants are there. So this will be, we are not going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or nor we are going to add 5 plus 5 plus 5, but what we will do, 5 into 4, 5 into 4, 20 plants are there. Same is the case if students are sitting on rows and columns were arranged. Now, fundamental counting says multiplication is a form of addition. Instead of adding 5, 5, 5, 5, 4 times, you just simply multiply 5 into 4, you get the result. Now, taking this as a fundamental principle, we are going to do some more questions. Say number 1, you want to purchase 1 math book,
6 math books and 3 physics.
We want to purchase 6 math books and 4 accounts books. You have
3 physics.
no, you have to purchase
math book.
No, you have to purchase 1 math book, one physics book, but there are 6 choices. There are 6 different books of mathematics.
1
and,
math book
and 1 physics book you have to purchase.
1 physics book.
There are 6 math books and 3 books, 4 physics books.
1 math book and 1
physics book you have to purchase.
Yeah.
Out of 6 books of math, different varieties of math books, and
6 choices.
6 choices, and 3 choices of physics book. You have to purchase only 1 book of mathematics and 1 physics. So how many ways you can do it? Can you tell me?
Yes. 6 into 3.
6 into, because I have got for maths I have got 6 choices. If I put the name as M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, and physics books I write P1, P2, P3, P4, P3,
M6.
I can purchase with M1, P1 or P2 or P3.
Yes.
That means for M1 I have got 3 choices. Similarly, for M2 also, for M1 I have got 3 choices.
Yeah.
Similarly, M2 also I have got 3 choices. M3 also I have got 3 choices. So total number of choices is
6 into 3.
Or you can write M1 with 3 choices. Similarly, M2 3 choices. So total, you can write here only. Here. 3 choices of physics and 6 choices of mathematics. Total number of choices 18 choices. To go another question.
4 ways to enter.
You can note down the question also, otherwise it will not be possible.
In a hall, there are 4 ways to enter. And 3 ways to exit.
Say this is the hall. We have got 4 for entry and 3 for exit.
Yes. 4 ways to enter
This you can make
and
it small
three-
here. 3
ways to
exit.
exit.
So total number of women figure here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 and here 3.
1, 2, 3 ways to exit.
So how many ways you can enter into the hall and come out?
How many
Ways
ways?
you can enter into the hall and exit. So I can enter the first gate and come out any of the 3. Second also any of the 3.
Yes.
3 also total number of ways.
So 4 into
3. 4 into 3.
which is 12.
12.
12 ways.
Third question. Read the question or can note down
There
also.
are 3 ways to go from Jaipur to Delhi, which
Nahi.
is air, rail.
No, there are you want to go to from note down from Jaipur to Firozabad, but there is no direct connection between Jaipur to Firozabad.
Okay.
There, write down the question.
Can I do?
You want to go from here. You can write from we want to go from Jaipur to Firozabad, but since there is no direct connection, you have to go first Delhi, from Delhi to Firozabad. So we have to go to first Delhi and we have to first go this to Delhi,
Travel Delhi and
then from there to Firozabad. Jaipur to Delhi we can go by 3 ways like air, rail, road.
Jaipur
To Delhi,
Delhi,
3 ways: air, rail, and road. And Delhi to Firozabad, 2 ways: rail and road. So total number of ways is 3 into 2, 6 ways. 6 ways. Next question, let's see. There are 3 prizes: first, second, third prize. See,
first, second,
wrote down the question also. First, okay. First, second, third, 3 prizes, and there are 6 contestants. 3 prizes,
contestant.
6.
First,
Second, third prize. Now, how many ways these prizes can be given away? So
single three.
this is this is first prize can be given of any of the 6 persons. The person who gets first prize won't get second prize. For second, for first prize you can write down. For first prize you have got 6 choices.
First prize 6 choices.
Second prize 5 choices,
5 choices.
and third prize
4 choices.
4 choices. So total number of choices 6 into
5
into 4.
4.
6 into 5.
120.
6 into 5 into 4. That is 120 choices.
120 choices.
Here I will come back to one more question here. Suppose you want to, here it was when there is the and we have to multiply. If there is or we have to add.
Okay.
Here suppose the question had been, this question would have been, you want to purchase one physics book or a math book. The question
And
is,
6 and
here you can note down, if suppose you have to purchase, here I have to purchase one physics book and one math book. Instead, if it would have been one book, either of physics or of mathematics,
Yeah.
you write down here. If you want to purchase one mass, you can write here small mathematics, or you can make here. You can write out this one now. Here you can write. So here in the now, suppose you want to purchase either a math book or a physics book. In that case, this or you can underline. In that case, total number of choices 6 plus 3. Six plus 9. This is question number. This question one only we have got. Okay.